Alright guys, the time we've been waiting for is here. We're gonna be taking the battery off now, the cover, live here at JW Solar USA, so we can see the internal components here. Before doing that, we're gonna take these plates, since it's already off, we already unscrew it, and we're gonna set it aside and come back here and do lift off. Lift off. There they are, right here. JW Solar USA. Dismantling the Nissan leaf battery. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. These are the batteries all set up. Everything looks really nice and neat. Give it a like, subscribe, and share to the channel for more videos to come on this project. In Minnesota, JW Solar USA. These are the batteries. Yeah, looks beautiful, right? Nice. Okay. This is how they look like, guys. Batteries well arranged, well packed, and take a look. Giving you a good looks here. You can take a look. It's just beautiful arrangement. More than perfect. I don't even know how to describe it. All right, put some marks there, and they put some marks here on the batteries. I don't know if the kind of indication to make sure that if someone tampered them, they know, especially for exchange. You see right there, this is a 1 24 pack right here. So this is just outstanding work on Nissan. Unable to see this again on Japan, because mostly these batteries are designed in Japan, because Japanese. Really nice. So this is the main block I was telling you guys, the main fuse, and you can see Japan right there, and you can see some numbers there. The red thing, if you have a barcode, you can scan that. It tells you exactly what it is. Yeah, numbers here that says 38336. So trying to find where I can put the probe to get my complete thing. Okay, I think I can do it from here and bypassing the main control BMS system and read exactly the voltage of this battery. Stay tuned for the next video, and you can see how these batteries are arranged. Here's the company. Calsonic operation. Like I said, it doesn't say the voltage here, nothing. More Arabic, Japanese, French, other translations here. So I think it's a BMS system right here, and all the bus bars hook up to this. And this pack, I'm gonna leave it the way it is. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 24, and there's nothing here back here. I'm just gonna take it the way it is, and trying to look for the tag where it's gonna say probably 2015. If they sent me the right one, they sent me the right one. I don't know what it is here. There's a mark, orange and blue. I hope I found something here. Maybe any of you guys know to read these numbers. What are they for? Those indications there. You can tell me. Well, I hope I got the batteries I asked for. What's in there is a Panasonic controller in there. You can see. I don't know if you can see right there, Panasonic. I'm looking for numbers here. I can't able to. Made in Japan, some relays in there. Well, guys, this is what it is. I don't know. I haven't found any mark or indication showing 2015 in here. Might be no 2015, or maybe it's a 2015, but it's advertised or asked for 2015 module. Hoping that's what they sent me. And I can see it just looked like the 2011 I opened a year and a half, 2 years ago. And I was hoping I can see some numbers here that make sense. I don't know. Okay, I think that is right here. I think it's 5, 10, 15. I think that's what it is. There's a S11 here. Oh yeah, I don't know. S11 here marked. I don't know if it's a third quarter, the 10th month, 2011. I don't know. This marked in a red dot. Oh, the camera is blue marker. But if you see here, it's like gonna say 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 31. I don't know. Maybe I can't see. So any of you guys know how to read these labels, or tell me what your module is, then I can able to know exactly if it's a sensing wire, if it's a 2015 sent to me. But I can see any indication here if I look closely with the camera. Zoom. So I don't know. It's hard to tell. Thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Subscribe and share and stay tuned for the videos coming up right from the channel right here, JW Solar USA in Minnesota. Bye for now.